Have you ever thought about the health benefits of almonds? Those little crunchy delights are packed with surprising benefits for your body and mind. Today, we're going to explore the almond affection, a journey through the myriad of ways these humble nuts can enhance your health. From heart to brain health, bones to weight management, and even skin and digestive health, the list is incredibly diverse. So, are you ready to delve into the world of almonds and their amazing health benefits? Let's begin. Almonds, known for their heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, are a great start for maintaining a healthy heart. These tiny powerhouses work to reduce bad cholesterol levels, keeping your heart ticking along happily. But the benefits don't stop at the heart. Almonds are also brain food. The vitamin E content in these nuts supports cognitive function and may even offer some protection against age-related cognitive decline. So if you're looking for a snack to keep your mind sharp, almonds may be just the ticket. Our bones also get a boost from almonds. They are a bountiful source of calcium and magnesium, both vital for strong bones and teeth. So next time you crunch into an almond, remember you're doing your skeleton a favor. Despite their calorie density, almonds can actually be a friend to your waistline. They are a satisfying snack, packed with fiber and protein that can keep you feeling full. This may aid in weight management, making almonds a tasty ally in your weight loss journey. Moreover, almonds have a low glycemic index. This means they may help regulate blood sugar levels, a beneficial point for those managing diabetes. Almonds are also packed with antioxidant power. They are rich in vitamin E and flavonoids, substances that help protect our cells from damage. These antioxidants act like the body's personal bodyguards, shielding cells from harm. Skin health is another area where almonds shine. The vitamin E content in almonds supports healthy skin. It protects against UV damage and promotes collagen production, helping your skin stay youthful and vibrant. Let's not forget digestive health. The fiber in almonds supports a healthy digestive system and may even help prevent constipation. So almonds could be your tasty solution to smoother digestion. Finally, almonds are a great source of energy, thanks to their healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They make an ideal snack for sustained energy, helping you power through your day. And there you have it, almonds, a small package with a big punch of health benefits. It's truly fascinating, isn't it? How such a small nut can offer so many health benefits, from boosting heart and brain health to aiding in weight management, regulating blood sugar, and even promoting healthy skin. This is all thanks to the rich bundle of nutrients found in almonds, which include monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, calcium, and fiber, among others. It's amazing how versatile almonds are, easily fitting into your diet. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, remember the almond and nourish your body and mind with its incredible benefits.